We're going to solve a problem using the inverse property. The first bullet point tells us about the hydrogen ion concentration and gives us a formula that relates the hydrogen ion concentration to the pH. The second bullet point tells us that milk has a pH of 6.6 and asks us to find the hydrogen ion concentration. I'm going to substitute the 6.6 into the formula for pH. So 6.6 is equal to negative log of H+. In order to solve this, I'm first going to divide on both sides by the negative to get the logarithm all by itself. So I'll divide by -1 on both sides of my equation, and so that gives me negative 6.6 is equal to the log of H+. Now, the inverse property tells us that the inverse of a logarithm is to use a base of 10. So I'm going to put that on both sides. So I'm going to make the negative 6.6 be the exponent for the 10. And I'm going to make the log of H+ be the exponent on the 10. So the inverse property tells us that these two are truly inverses and cancel each other out. So after this step, I have 10 to a power of negative 6.6 is equal to H+. And so I'm going to go to my calculator and I'll put this 10 to the negative 6.6 on my calculator. And my calculator gives me 2.51188, and the decimal continues, and I have to look carefully because then it has this little e to the -7. So what that really means is 2.51 times 10 to the -7 is the hydrogen ion concentration for milk that has a pH of 6.6.